I have another pair of operators for you. We use double quotes to signify that we're doing a phrase search, and we use the OR operator to combine ideas together. Let me show you an example. Double quotes are used to keep words together in a search. So if, for example, I'm searching for this rather obscure lyric that I happen to know called "When Venus, the Goddess of Beauty and Love," if we actually go and do the search here, "When Venus, the Goddess of Beauty and Love." So that's a long phrase. I want to find this as a song lyric. So if I do that search, look at my results. They're all about Venus, the mythological figure. They're Venus, the planet. It's fantastic results, but you can see the phrase that I'm searching for, when, Venus, goddess, and all that, are appearing all over in the results. What I really want to do is to focus the results on just that phrase. So how can I keep those words together? The answer is to insert a double quote. So what I'm going to do is add a double quote at the beginning of the phrase and at the end of the phrase, because I know this is the sequence of words I'm searching for. So you can see here the very first result is from a song called Nottingham Ale. And so here it is, and there's the very first line, "When Venus, the Goddess of Beauty and Love." What I've done here is use the trick of double quotes in order to get to a phrase search, that is, searching for exactly those words in that sequence. It gives me very different results when I embed that phrase. For example, a name. Let me give you another example here. Let me search for a name, Daniel M. Russell. I have great results here. That's fantastic. But it's not always exclusively me. When I'm really looking for just me, I really do want to include my name like that inside the double quotes. Now, one of the things to know about double quotes is that it allows you to search for a phrase. The other operator I mentioned, OR, is a way of combining ideas so that you can search for these terms or different phrases as synonyms for each other. For example, if we go back to our Tesla coil example, another phrase for Tesla coil, another equivalent idea, is a Jacob's ladder. It's another device that mad scientists use to cause lightning to crawl up between two wires. But here's what happens when you combine those two quoted phrases using a single query. If you think about the single query Tesla coil is giving you a certain set of results. When you combine Tesla coil with Jacob's ladder with an OR, always capitalized, with an OR between them, what you do is you get a larger number of results. Because what's happening is that Google is looking for any page that has the phrase Tesla coil or the phrase Jacob's ladder. And so you're getting some pages with Tesla coils, some pages with Jacob's ladders, and some pages with them both. So the key idea here is that you can actually now start to search for larger synonymous sets of ideas. So let me give you an example here. So let's go back to our fish case. We can do fish pedicure, or, now notice it's capitalized, spa. And what you're seeing here is the bolded terms are the hits. In this case, fish spa, Dr. Fish, fish pedicure. We're seeing all these different results here as a consequence of using the OR. I'll give you another example. I can say pleurisy, which you can see very quickly using our search as you type feature. I see pleurisy is this inflammation of the lining of the lungs. I happen to know another phrase for pleurisy is pleuritis. So I can say pleurisy or pleuritis, like that. And now I'm searching for both terms as synonyms for each other. Keep in mind that if you're searching for a phrase like Tesla coil or Jacob's ladder, you have to put those in exact double quotes in order to get the effect of both of those searches, both of those terms being used as equivalents. The key idea to remember is that OR allows you to take two terms or two phrases and search for both of them together, most often used when you're looking for synonyms for the same idea, like pleurisy and pleuritis. The idea of double quote is it allows you to search for terms, words in a particular sequence. This is a powerful combination when you want to look for one short phrase or another short phrase. That gives you phrasal synonymy, which is a really powerful technique for filtering and focusing in on your results.